welcome to another episode of Turning Wrenches here. How you doing today? We are on episode 9 of this Murray 17.5 horsepower riding mower here. Keep calling it a lawn tractor. It's actually a riding mower. Last episode, my mom, we repainted the tractor riding mower up, painting it black. It actually turned out pretty good. She went over some polyurethane that we had that she used for project she was doing, so got that all squared away. So today we're going to be installing the deck on this tractor here, and I also got a new belt for it off Amazon, stens belt here. Let me go grab it real quick. I'll show you. For anybody that's going to be doing it, here's the belt for it. Stens number 265-031. Replaces the 37 by 88 MA belt, which is what it showed on the sticker of the tractor there. So I'm gonna put this belt on here today, and I'm gonna put it on here, hook the deck up, and see if we can get this thing to go. I gotta move all the belt guides back in place after I get the belts on and all that stuff. So I'm gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse. We're going to go ahead and put this deck on real quick, and we can get it hooked up here, and we'll start it up and see how it goes. Also grease the front wheels before I turn the camera on here. So let's go get this deck on, okay? Okay, got the cable on, the belt on. This one, it's got some cracks in it, so let's go ahead and replace it. at first I didn't understand why the belt was not fitting on there, and I thought that it was too big. It was that pulley right there I'm shining the camera on, or I point to it, this pulley right here. I forgot to wrap it around that pulley into that guard, so now when it shifts over it actually works. So let me pull it over real quick. As you can see, belt gets tight there, so should engage the blades with no problem. Scoots back. Probably put a little bit of lube on that. I'll probably put some Never Seas on there and help that out a little bit. It's a little tight on there right now to move it back and forth. So a little bit of lube here. Also, I forgot to show you guys. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I'll recap. I took some silicone and put around that spot. I think that was the part that was leaking. I don't think it was anywhere on the seams. I think it was just right there. So that's the next thing. This thing should be ready to go. Let me just get everything situated. I'll put some gas in here, a little bit more gas in here. Set my tripod up, and we'll put it out here and see if it mows. So, be back in a couple of seconds. Okay, tripod set up. It is kind of leaking gas around the side here. So, probably gonna have to force out another gas tank for it. Turn the fuel on real quick. See if she does anything. Choke it. Put the brake on. See what it does. Sticky there on the PTO clutch. So other than that, you know, hey, it's it mows. Well, not noise, but it mows. I think it's a win-win. Okay, so I'll show you guys the surprise list that I found. I actually found this. This is a few days later, but a few days ago back, went to my friend's house. She lives in an apartment complex, but on the road towards her apartment complex there's a four-way stop. And I saw this sitting on the curb, along with other scrap metal. So the guy came out to me as I pulled up to it to look at it, and he asked me, he goes, well actually he just told me, he goes, hey, it starts first pull, but the pump has a hole in it, so take it. I said okay. A little oily and stuff and all that, so I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if there's like a seal broke or something like that, but I'm going to show you. It actually runs. See if I got gas in it first though. There's a little bit in there. Put it on the turtle setting here. Show you. And it runs. Now it's gonna make a wire out of it. Nice. Fortunately, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably just end up taking the engine and throw it on a push mower, because I don't think I want to fix this up as a pressure washer, which I got my own pressure washer I want to fix up and stuff. So I'll probably just take the engine. If the engine is decent enough to go on a deck that doesn't need a cable or anything, I'll just throw it on there. Put a longer bladed adapter on there and all that stuff, and I think I got a beauty cover I can throw on there too. For you guys that want to know, this is a 2003 model engine. It was made August 1st of 2003 here. So good old engine. They're the good old quantum engines. Can't kill them. So, like I said, the oil dipstick's loose. It's got oil. It might be overfilled. Yeah, so I probably got to fix this oil dipstick. That might be the reason why it's leaking there. But we're gonna end this episode. Let's see, what is this? 9. So it looks like on 10, I'm gonna have to source out a gas tank. I don't know if I want to spend any money on a gas tank. It's leaking. Unless I just put some sealant around there. I'll probably just put some sealant around there and see if they'll help. I'll probably have to put some more around it. I'll probably do that. So I don't know if this is gonna be an episode 10. We'll see. I think we'll just call it as a next episode. This episode here. There's not really much more to do to it. Here, I've done everything I can to it, and I actually got a family friend of mine that needs a riding mower, and I think this would be a good candidate for them, because they want one instead of using their self-propelled mower. So I'll probably sell it to them there, and trying to figure out what tractor I want to start on next here. Oh, I'll show you guys this real quick before I end this video. You guys seen it on this previous episodes. Well, on when I first picked it up, that's one of the 2 free Craftsman tractors that I picked up for free, along with the scrap bicycles I have yet to get rid of. Here, it actually runs. People have seen it on my Instagram feed already. It runs. The only thing I had to do to it is, there's a video on Terrell Fixes All where you got to take that blade adjustment there, and you got to grind pieces of it off there for the cable to engage. Well, I grinded that piece off of there because it broke the original cable. It almost broke this cable I ordered and replaced on it. So I took the deck off and grinded that down off camera. Did that. I had to go and clean the carburetor out because it was surging. So I cleaned that out also. And unfortunately I didn't have a battery hold down. So I took one of my old rubber straps and made a makeshift battery holder. It's not the best, it's still going to shake around, but I don't know, I might rig it up a little bit better, but it still moves around. And unfortunately the lights do not work. I tried a different wiring harness off the other junk tractor that's sitting right there. That's the other one. I'm just probably going to park that out and save the engine, probably take the rest of it because the hood's no good. I probably won't come across a hood anytime soon for it because the hood is trashed. But anyway, I cleaned the carburetor on that. It actually runs good. I topped off the oil. Right now it's up for $550 here locally. So let me do a cold start on it. I ran it earlier. I won't engage the blades here, but I'll start it up for you guys real quick. Pull up the choke. She runs good and it mows. Blades are good on it too. I took off the other deck. I replaced the side piece to it, and this one was missing, so I replaced it. So good on that also. So pretty good there. So that's up for sale. Like I said, I'm not sure what tractor I'm going to work on next. I got a few in my arsenal here I can work on. I don't know if I should do a teardown video on one. Maybe that Craftsman tractor. I do have a Scott's by John Deere that I picked up. It's got a 25 horsepower Kohler twin engine. It's actually a lawn tractor. I picked up for free. I wanted to get that going. I actually already ordered all the tune-up kits for it, spark plugs, air cleaner, filters and all that, filters and all that. So I think I got a rebuild kit because I don't know, I'll probably have to rebuild the tank on it. Not tank, carburetor. So we'll see. I don't know yet. I'll put it up there. Probably what I will start working on next. Might post it up on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Share my videos. Like me. Give me a like. Thumbs up here if you like the video. I want to give a shout out to some people I subscribe: Ellis Mowers, Mondo Mowers, Henry from Mowers and Blowers, Pate's Performance. Shout out to everybody in the Small Engine Nation. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. I don't know what it's going to be yet, so I might post it up on Instagram before I post it up on YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time on Turning Wrenches.